Good evening and welcome to the news. Here are the headlines. All India Conference of Directors General and Inspectors General of Police discussing various internal security issues concluded in Jaipur. Indian celebrities appeal to people to explore Indian islands like Lakshadweep and Sindhudurg. Indian Navy deploys 6 warships for anti-piracy and anti-drone operation in Arabian Sea and Gulf of Aden. Bangladesh 12 national polls 27.15 PC voter turnout till 3 p.m. In men's under-19 cricket, India beat South Africa by 6 wickets in trilateral ODI series in Johannesburg. The news in details. In Rajasthan, the All India Conference for Directors General and Inspector General of Police 2023 concluded today in Jaipur. The 3-day conference is organized at Rajasthan International Centre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah participated in all important sessions of the conference. The conference is attended by National Security Advisor and senior officials. A wide range of policing and internal security issues including cybercrimes, counter-terrorism challenges, left-wing extremism and prison reforms were discussed during the event. Another key agenda is deliberated on the roadmap for the implementation of new criminal laws. Indian celebrities including Akshay Kumar, John Abraham and Sachin Tendulkar appealed to people to explore Indian islands like Lakshadweep and Sindhudurg. Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to the island has appealed Indians to visit the national treasure. In his tweet, Akshay Kumar said that he came across comments from the prominent public figures from Maldives passing hateful comments and racist comments on Indians, while India being a country that sends the maximum number of tourists. We are good to our neighbors, but why should we tolerate such unprovoked hate? Let us decide to explore the Indian islands and support our own tourism. The actor Salman Khan also supports PM Modi's appeal for Indians to start exploring the beautiful Lakshadweep Islands. The Indian Navy has deployed a total of 6 warships for anti-piracy and anti-drone operation, and more of them will be sent further to tackle the challenge in the Arabian Sea and Gulf of Aden. Indian Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar said a proposal has been submitted to the government in this regard and clearance is expected shortly. He also stated that the Navy is already equipped with anti-drone capabilities including GPS jammers, surface-to-air missile systems and laser devices. Voting for the 12th National Parliamentary election in Bangladesh today has report of low voters turnout and scattered violence across the country. At the beginning of the day, voting was slow, but voter turnout increased as day progressed, said Election Commissioner Secretary Jahangir Alam in a media briefing at the EC Secretariat in Dhaka. He said that 27.15% voters turnout was reported till 3 p.m. In urban areas, voting is slow, while rural areas, voter turnout is relatively higher. Meanwhile, 8 candidates in different constituencies across Bangladesh have boycotted the 12th national election so far, alleging voting rigging and irregularities. The Dorbar Shnong Kimusiang on Saturday opened its 75th year's Platinum Jubilee, which will be a year-long celebration. The Chief Forest Officer GHADC, who also served as the former Wahe Shnong Dorbar Shnong Kimusiang, Frankie Welbla, was the chief guest. The President Sinjuk Wahe Shnong Jowai Jlan Kupar Rambai was the guest of honor. During his address to the gathering, Bla reminisced about his tenure, to the collaboration between the leaders of the youth, Women's Wing, and President of the locality for the development of the Shnong. Later, the chief guest unveiled the platinum stone, while the guest of honor unveiled the mascot of the 75th year celebration, which was won by Wasaka E. Hing in an earlier competition. Other dignitaries present included Pastor E. Nongplo, J.M. Posngap, N.K. Lamare, Wahet Shnong A. Lamare, and others.
Pada abrik Januari kat kendesa kendai pau kendai dapsiak senang ada dapsiak awal senang awal balang pada ni kesenang. Mereka kita ni senang lagi. Yang langgar ceruk ke senang. Dijid ini harus arja apa tu. Kamu buat senang. Dah kejingnya kerek lang, dah kejingnya kerek citom, dah kejing lang yang ki manpai kontrol kelut yang kesenang. Dia percanggih ia lai cekmat. Kamu man tu ia tu cekrang.
Journalists from Uttar Pradesh will be on tour to Meghalaya as part of the media tour under Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Officials of PIB Shillong welcomed the senior journalists with traditional Rindia stall of Meghalaya on their arrival at Guwahati Airport today. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh will leave on a 2-day visit to London tomorrow. He will be accompanied by high-level Ministry of Defence delegation comprising senior officials from DRDO, Service Headquarters, Department of Defence and Department of Defence Production. During his visit, Singh will hold a bilateral meeting with his UK counterpart, Secretary of State for Defence Grant Shapps. The Defence Ministry said they are expected to discuss a wide range of defence, security and industrial cooperation issues. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah will chair the National PACS Mega Conclave on Primary Agricultural Credit Societies as Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra tomorrow at Vigyan Bhawan, New Delhi. The Mega Conclave is being organized by the Ministry of Cooperation in collaboration with the National Cooperative Development Corporation, Additional Chief Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, Secretaries of Cooperation Department and Registrar of Cooperative Society of all states and union territories, and Chairman, Secretaries and pharmacists of those packs who have obtained the drug licenses to operating Jan Aushadhi Kendra will also participate. Lok Sabha MP of Shillong Vincent H. Pala graced the closing ceremony of a year-long Golden Jubilee celebration of Mu Rusyar Youth Cultural Club held at Mu Rusyar Football Playground on Friday. Joining him were MLA of Rimrai Jirngam constituency R.G. Momin, village leaders and elders, and club members. In his address, MP Pala emphasized the importance of community service and philanthropy. He stated that when wisdom and wealth are utilized for the benefit of the society and its various sectors, it becomes a true blessing. During the ceremony, MP Pala unveiled the club's commemorative souvenirs, inaugurated a Golden Jubilee milestone monument, and cut the celebratory cake, officially concluding the year-long festivities.
Sir R.G. Momin.
Sir R.G. Momin, I would like to
Government of Meghalaya. Ay kublero yay. Nasiyaw ba ngidipan kemauro yang itu baru kibadon ke jingyo ijngai nadu manswa. Ban penyaj ke senong katau tangkirang ba tanggilong kami ting ngidon kam ya ke jingarap jong kisamla. Ta ke jingyo ijngai nadu manswa ban seng ya ki seng jong kisamla. Ban pet ladon ban do tia ban do dem namantah ke jingpha. Ban penyaj ke sports, ke culture, ban penyaj ke imlam ke salang. Ban penbit penbahai kariti ko dostur bengela ban le lamba kisamla.
In men's under-19 cricket, India defeated South Africa by 6 wickets in the trilateral ODI series at the Old Edwardian Cricket Ground in Johannesburg, South Africa. Chasing a victory target of 257 runs, India achieved the target scoring 260 for 4 in 48.4 overs. Skipper Uday Saharan made 112 and Priyanshu Molia scripted a useful cameo of 76 not out. Earlier sent into bat first, South Africa were all out for 256 runs in the stipulated 50 overs. For South Africa, Steve Stokes was the highest scorer with 69 runs. For India, Mushir Khan picked up 5 wickets and Naman Tiwari bagged 3. India have already advanced to the final as the top points table. Afghanistan lies in the second position while South Africa in third. The final will be played on the 10th of January. The weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 17.2 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature recorded was 7.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity recorded in the morning was 54%, while in the evening was 62%. Shillong and its adjoining areas will have dry weather most likely. Before we wrap up with the news, let us look at the headlines once again. All India Conference of Directors General and Inspectors General of Police discussing various internal security issues concluded in Jaipur. Indian celebrities appeal to people to explore Indian islands like Lakshadweep and Sindhudurg. Indian Navy deploys 6 warships for anti-piracy and anti-drone operation in Arabian Sea and Gulf of Aden. Bangladesh 12 national polls 27.15 PC voter turnout till 3 p.m. And in men's under-19 cricket, India beats South Africa by 6 wickets in trilateral ODI series in Johannesburg. We have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Good night.